tortoise. No.
Why are you calling me?
No, on the phone.
Hi, JRV. Promise you, Jake Long, that tomorrow, what's today? I'm JRV and I'm here with Jake Long.
Let's go real.
Henrik Donovan. I'm bored, I'm just gonna start recording. Welcome to my vlog. We're here in the third hour. We have nothing to do.
VGRV is.
Shut up.
Yeah, exactly. Even Slay sound effects. Ted 2 is the worst movie ever. Peacemaker the show is my favorite Peacemaker, and there you go. Yeah. Bye. Oh, gotta cook again.
We're watching Victoria.
Peacemaker is the best show ever.
I'm JRV and I'm here with Jake Long. And I'm giving him free answers right now.
I'll definitely give you free candy.
I'm giving Jake Long free answers because he's supposed to give me free candy.
I'll definitely give you free candy.
Yep. Free candy matters, kids. Don't forget about that.
Yep, exactly. Free candy.
And also, hey, oh my balls!
And me along with
You and your reels.
Peacemaker's the best show ever.
No.